listen closely.
I heard your heartbeat across the ocean tide. No more secrets, no more reasons to hide. Years gone by, and I always knew. We sit on the beach, shadows stretching along, humming along to the same old song. I watch the exact way your eyes trace the sea, wondering when you will finally look at me. You were too scared to reach, too shy to break the mold, guarding a beautiful story left untold. The horizon is calling, the reef starts to glow. It's so hard for me to say what you need to know. Caught in the current, freezing on the shore. I don't wanna just be your friend anymore. Your heavy heart is not floating away. I have the courage that we needed today. I am in love with you. Crying out to the sky, the words will not drown when you look in my eye. More than a shadow, more than a maze, we are standing together, no longer leaving it to fade. Another sunset painting the sky blue and red, remembering every single thing that we said. My hands start to shake when you lean close to me, under the shade of the green coconut tree. Don't change the subject, don't look at your feet. Take my hand while my chest skips a beat. The horizon is calling, the reef starts to glow. It's so hard for me to say what you need to know. Caught in the current, freezing on the shore. I don't wanna just be your friend anymore. Your heavy heart is not floating away. I have the courage that we needed today. I am in love with you. Crying out to the sky, the words will not drown when you look in my eye. More than a shadow, more than a maze, we are standing together, no longer leaving it to fate. Hey. Yo. Look, you thought you were alone in the feeling, but I was right there quietly believing. We shared the same cover, we shared the same view. I always had that burning fire for you. You were too timid to speak, knees getting weak, thinking the outlook was totally bleak. Your throat went dry, but I read your mind, leaving all the hesitation behind. Step out of your head, hear the response to the things you just said. Now that you told me the truth, I won't walk away. The warmth of our summers will never turn into gray. Rest your racing mind, the brightest days are what we're going to find. Your heavy heart is not floating away. I have the courage that we needed today. I am in love with you. Crying out to the sky, the words will not drown when you look in my eye. More than a shadow, more than a maze, we are standing together, no longer leaving it to fade. No more sad day to the unspoken word. Yo, 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 yo. Never just a friend in the crowd. Not too shy, not too late, not too late, not too late. I am in love with you.